trials faced and victories won, with passion and pride our work is done. This year's journey, bold and bright, stands as a tribute to our might.
As another enriching session concludes, Mount Carmel reaffirms to its commitment to shaping students into compassionate, resilient, and innovative individuals. With a strong foundation in values, creativity, and mental well-being, we are empowered to excel academically and also contribute meaningfully to a society.
This report highlights the vibrant activities of the past session 2024-25 and shows our dedication towards the holistic development. Glue yourselves up as we take you through the journey of our school with pride and joy, as each of you is an integral part of this journey. Now, let's hear the report on induction.
Welcome to our school induction program. This session is designed to acquaint you with our school's values, policies and facilities, ensuring a smooth and enriching journey ahead. The school held various events to inspire and engage students. The orientation day for new nursery students featured a lamp lighting ceremony, dance performances and activities, creating a warm welcome for students and parents.
The school also conducted its cabinet election, allowing students from classes 6 to 10 to participate in the democratic process. The newly elected leaders were formally inducted during the investiture ceremony, with Commander Surendra Kumar Rana as the chief guest. In a step towards modern education, the school inaugurated robotics lab for students from grades 4 to 10, providing a hands-on experience in robotics and code.
These initiatives reflect on the school's commitment to leadership, innovation, and holistic learning. So now, let's hear about the orientation program held during the last session.
On December 6, 2024, a seminar for parents of classes 6 to 8, led by Dr. Preeti Chauhan, explored adolescence, focusing on emotional and physical changes, effective communication, and supportive parenting. A parent orientation was also held, covering the new education policy for nursery, cybersecurity for grades 5th and 6th, curriculum updates for grades 7th and 8th, and academic guidelines for grades 9th and 10th, ensuring parents stay informed.
Thank you, dear. May I now appeal one of our friends to kindly guide us through our curriculum, culture, and resources, setting up the stage for an exciting and successful academic journey.
Certainly yes. Let's understand students' enhancement areas. Mount Carmel students embark on an exciting educational visit to a renowned government engineering college, immersing themselves in the world of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. They explore the state-of-the-art lab, witness live demonstrations of 3D printing, CNC machining, and robotics, and also gain inspiration to pursue their career in technology and innovation. A seminar on skill education for grade 8 to 10 featured expert speakers, Mr. Kikuchi and Mr. David Prakash, who emphasized the importance of STEM learning and readiness skill development. The session encouraged students to explore diverse career opportunities and equip themselves with future-ready skills.
Taking a step towards digital awareness, the school launched its Cyber Club, where students pledged to uphold cyber hygiene and adopt responsible online practices. This initiative aims to educate students on cybersecurity, online ethics, and digital well-being, ensuring a safer virtual environment. In collaboration with One Step International Academy, the school hosted a student empowerment seminar for grades 8 to 10, led by Mr. Jit George and Mr. Christine Manuel. The interactive sessions encouraged self-belief, goal setting, and personal growth, inspiring students to take charge of their academic and professional futures.
In partnership with Maharashtra Pollution Control Board, Techno Green Solutions Limited conducted an air quality evaluations assessing indoor air safety, lung capacity, and students' health. This initiative highlights the school's dedication for creating a healthy, safe, and supportive learning environment for all. students from class 6 to 8 actively participated in election awareness rally, forming human chains and carrying the placards to promote the significance of voting. The initiative instilled a sense of civic responsibility and the power of informed participation in democracy.
Now, a cheer to the celebration of academic excellence. Mount Carmel School proudly honored its top achievers in a special ceremony recognizing their excellence in academics and value education. AISSE toppers. The school congratulated its AISSE toppers who achieved outstanding results in the recent examinations. The students were awarded with trophies and mementos in recognition of their hard work and dedication.
The St. Saviour Awards recognize students from grade 1 to 10 who demonstrated exceptional commitment to value education. These students embodied the values of empathy, kindness and compassion and served as role models for their peers.
The Proficiency Award honored students from nursery to grade 9 who achieved academic excellence in their respective classes. These students demonstrated a strong work ethic and a commitment to learning and were recognized for their outstanding performance. The ceremony aimed to inspire future batches to strive for academic success, fostering a culture of high achievements and moral values within the institution.
It's not just holding on to academics. Students do find themselves in a state of recreation. Students of classes 9 and 10 enjoyed an exciting day at Vagula Water Park, filled with water games, adventure activities and recreational rides. Along with fun and camaraderie, the outing also emphasized on environmental awareness, reinforcing the need to preserve natural resources. The experience fostered teamwork, lasting memories and valuable life lessons.
The management also enriches and provides opportunities to update its faculties as and when needed. The school conducted capacity building seminars to enhance teaching effectiveness. Sessions covered AI in education, creativity and critical thinking, child protection policy, POCSO and student time management. These seminars equip teachers with modern strategies to foster student growth and innovation.
That was indeed a detailed report. Celebrations in school enhance creativity, teamwork and cultural appreciation. It makes learning more vibrant and colorful. Now, let's turn a page ahead and invite one of our fellow mates to take us ahead.
Indeed, celebration in school brings students together, creating a sense of belonging and joy. Founders Day paid tribute to Saint Kuriakos Ilyas Chawla with a vibrant mix of intellect and creativity. Students of grade 9 and 10 battled it out in a multi-round quiz. Grade 6 to 8 debated on pros and cons of school uniform. And the young mind of grade 1st to 5th showcased their linguistic prowess in a thrilling spell bee. Through speeches and competition, students not only honored St. Chawla's legacy, but also embraced his vision of education and social reform.
Marking the decennial celebration of the canonization of Saint Kuriakos Ilyas Chawla and Saint Theophrasia, class 5 students brought their inspiring lives to life. Theatrical performances, heartfelt prayers, and through thought-provoking reflections, the celebration served as a reminder of the enduring teachings of faith, service, and compassion. Patroness Day was a celebration of excellence and values, graced by special guests including Father David Denny and Sub-Divisional Magistrate Sri Sanjay Pawar. The event featured a soulful prayer service, cultural performances, and recognition of outstanding students, inspiring everyone to uphold the spirit of perseverance and dedication.
The Festival of Lights shone even brighter with the spirited Garba competition. From the tiniest nursery kids to the energetic students of class 10, everyone poured and spun to the rhythmic beats, embracing the joy and unity that Diwali stands for.
Children's Day was whirlwind of fun and excitement, with engaging performances, thrilling games, and special treats. More than just a celebration, it was a reminder of the joy of childhood and nurturing role of teachers in shaping young lives.
Nursery and KG1 students had heartwarming day dedicated to their
filled with cultural performances and adorable fancy dishes and fun interactive games. This event created cherished memories and strengthened the beautiful bond between fathers and their children.
The Red Day turned into a colorful adventure for nursery students, immersing them in a world of creativity and social engagement. Dressed in bright red, they explored fun-filled activities, reinforcing learning through play.
With the theme Live with an Attitude of Gratitude, the Thanksgiving event of Brigado for the 10th batch was a blend of nostalgia and inspiration. Students relived cherished school memories through performances, speeches, and words of wisdom from distinguished guests. The emotional yet uplifting celebration encouraged them to embrace the future with resilience and gratitude.
The school transformed into a winter wonderland as Christmas was celebrated with lively carols, heartfelt performances, and a touching skit, and embodied a spirit of giving and kindness. The festive atmosphere brought students, teachers, and guests together in a joyous harmony.
Mother's Day was a beautiful celebration of love and sacrifice, featuring an endearing mother-child dance competition, fun-filled games, and a prize distribution ceremony. It was a day of appreciation, bonding, and heartfelt gratitude.
Creativity took center stage at the Cultural Kaleidoscope, a 2-day extravaganza where students were dazzled into solo dance, karaoke singing, poster making, and advertisement making contests. The events provide a vibrant platform for young artists to shine, proving once again that talent knows no bounds.
Thank you. Important days in our school are celebrated to instill values, commemorate historical events, and promote awareness among the students. So on the next move, let's get updated with these important days as they were an integral part of the school.
The remembrance of these important days help in fostering a sense of respect, unity, and cultural appreciation. School marked Environment Day with speeches, performances, and an award ceremony, recognizing student contributions to conservation and reinforcing a call to protect the planet.
Maharashtra Day was celebrated with a poem reading, flag hosting, and a cup performance of Jai Maharashtra Maza, instilling pride in the state's heritage. On International Yoga Day, students and staff participated in yoga sessions, promoting physical and mental well-being under the theme Yoga for Self and Society.
A heartwarming family day held alongside the Mount Carmel Day brought staff and their families together through prayers, performances, and cultural shows celebrating family bonds. The 78th Independence Day was commemorated with speeches and performances under the theme Celebrating Diversity, Embracing Unity, Inspiring Patriotism and National Pride.
Constitution Day engaged students with quizzes, essay writing, and poster making contests, while social science teachers highlighted the Constitution's role in shaping India's democracy.
Great. We all feel pride as we come together to relive these vital days. It's now time to enthrall ourselves with the competitions that were held during the last session.
Competition in school encourages students to showcase their talent, build confidence, and develop a spirit of healthy competition. Students showcase their artistic talent in the Rasta Suraksha Abhiyan 2024 drawing competition, creating impactful artwork on traffic safety. Their achievements were recognized by local authorities, reinforcing the importance of road safety awareness.
The school organized an elocution competition for KG1 to Standard 4, where young students confidently showcased their public speaking skills. A drawing and coloring competition further nurtured artistic expressions and creativity, instilling confidence in budding artists.
Mount Carmel Convent continues to encourage holistic development through events like solo singing, recitation, storytelling, and skit competitions, giving students a platform to explore their talents and build teamwork.
You said it right. These competitions enhance critical thinking, perseverance, and teamwork, preparing students for future challenges. The session 2024-25 was filled with excitement and enthusiasm. The school categorized sports as its key highlight. Let's hear the report.
Sports in school promotes physical fitness, teamwork, and discipline, contributing to overall student development. On Parents' Sports Day, families were brought together by exciting relay races, fun competitions, and tug of war, fostering fitness and camaraderie. Dr. Ajay Kambre emphasized the importance of active lifestyle and a prize ceremony to honor participants. On November 9, 2024, Staff Sports Day saw teachers and administrators competing in relay and hurdle races with 100% participants. This event promoted teamwork, well-being, and school spirit, reinforcing the institution's commitment to a healthy and united community.
The Alumni Sports Day on January 26th brought back former students of Mount Carmel Convent High School for a day of friendly competition and sportsmanship. They enjoyed reconnecting with peers, reliving school memories, and engaged in various sports activities. The school played a key role in fostering a bond by providing a well-organized platform to celebrate sportsmanship and lifelong companionship.
The most awaited event, Annual Sports Meet Atletica 2024-25. On January 25th, 2025, express athletic excellence and student participation. Chief guest Mr. Kishore Zorgewar, MLA Chandrapur, and guest of honor Mr. Sandeep Uike, volleyball coach Maharashtra, graced the event. Students showcase sportsmanship, teamwork, and perseverance, reinforcing the balance between academics and athletics. The event served as a platform for holistic development, promoting physical education and leadership.
This report also highlights the outstanding performance of our students in various sports activities at national and state levels. In national and state levels, students secured multiple gold, silver, and bronze medals in roller basketball, skating, karate, swimming, chess, and volleyball.
National selections. Several students qualified for national level competitions in karate, roller skating, and musical chair skating. Participation in prestigious events. Students represented the school in national school games, national volleyball, basketball, and swimming championship.
The school takes pride in the dedication and achievements of its young athletes who continue to excel and bring laurels in various sports disciplines. They also help in building resilience, leadership skills, and a spirit of healthy competition.
We proudly share that Nihan Pohane is a talented chess player known for his strategic depth and sharp tactical skills. His ability to anticipate opponents' moves and adapt to dynamic positions makes him a formidable competitor. With a keen understanding of the game and a passion for continuous improvement, Nihan consistently demonstrates excellence on the chessboard. You all will be elated to hear that we have chess prodigies from Chandrapur at SOGF Grandmaster Series.
Ved Neeraj Paul and Nihan Nitin Pohane from Chandrapur participated in the SOGF Grandmaster Series, South Asia's first Mind Sports Championship, held at Sahara Star, Mumbai. This event, attended by notable figures like Padma Shri Kaneru Hampi and Advocate Ashish Selar, showcased the growing recognition of young chess talent from the region. This participation provided them a valuable platform to display their skills and contributed to the promotion of mind sports in India.
That was incredible. With that covered, now it's time to appreciate every hand that serves our school, is cherished and recognized as an integral part of this journey.
The school expressed its gratitude towards its auto drivers through Sathi program, recognizing their vital role in student safety. The school management honored them with gifts and refreshments, fostering a sense of appreciation and respect. Similarly, the non-teaching staff were celebrated in a heartfelt ceremony where Standard 7 students presented saplings and shawls as tokens of gratitude. The principal acknowledged their dedication, reinforcing the school's commitment in recognizing every contributor to its success.
We at our school are taught values to step into others' shoes and feel grateful. So now, let's hear about the outreach programs that the students were a part of.
Undoubtedly, outreach programs in schools help students develop social responsibility, empathy, and leadership skills. They provide real-world learning experiences, encouraging students to contribute positively towards society and to understand community needs. On December 10th, on account of World Disability Day, grade 10 students visited Mount Carmel Specially Abled School, organizing cultural programs, sports activities, and distributing gifts, fostering empathy and inclusion.
Spreading Christmas cheer. Standard 7 student visited Matoshri Old Age Home near Ballarsha on December 14, engaging with residents, sharing warmth during the festive season. On the same day, students of class 9 supported 26 migrant families in Mahesh Nagar, Tukum, with essential kits, games, and cultural performances, receiving appreciation from the community leaders.
Additionally, students of class 8 visited Karuna Bhavan, an elderly care home, offering companionship through music, games, and gifts, leaving a lasting impact on both students and residents.
Thank you, friends. These initiatives reinforce the values of kindness, empathy, and social responsibility.
As we close this chapter and look ahead, Mount Carmel remains steadfast in its mission to nurture bright minds and compassionate hearts. The achievements of this session are a stepping stone for even greater accomplishments in the future. With renewed enthusiasm and a shared vision, we eagerly anticipate another year of learning, growth, and experience.
Thank you.
Sister Nitya, as the principal, has led the school with grace, wisdom, and unwavering dedication.
Through her strong leadership and compassionate guidance, she has ensured a smooth academic progress,
fostering a nurturing environment and bringing the entire school community together with a shared vision of excellence and values.